Today we are going to talk about a very powerful tool called ThriveCart, a platform that helps you to sell product, service, subscriptions, digital courses, and more through well-designed checkout pages. ThriveCart has become popular because it makes selling online easier and smarter for business owners, creators, and entrepreneurs. In this video, we will talk about the ThriveCart and we will talk about how it works and the real use cases, and we will help you to understand whether it is worth to using for your business or not. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to grow online using smart tools and easy methods. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description whenever I share the tools like ThriveCart. By using the description link, any available benefit or special access that will be applied automatically, so you get the best experience possible. Now let's come to the main part of the video. Let's start by understanding why ThriveCart exists. Many business owners sell products or services online, but building a smooth and professional checkout experience can be hard. You need to handle payments, upsell, order bumps, taxes, and integrations with other tools. If your checkout is confusing or broken, you lose the sales. This is where ThriveCart steps in. It gives you beautiful checkout pages that are optimized for conversions, and most importantly, it reduces the steps your customer needs to complete a purchase. When you log into ThriveCart, the first thing you notice is how organized and clear the dashboard is. You can create a new product, you can set pricing, you can choose payment option, and design the checkout page all from one place. You do not need coding or design skills. Everything works with simple options and clean layouts. This means beginner can start selling quickly without any technical headaches. When you set up a product, you first choose the product name, then price, then currency. ThriveCart supports major payment gateway like the Stripe, PayPal, so customer can pay easily with the card or online wallets. After that, you move to the checkout builder. ThriveCart offers many templates that are already tested or high conversions. You can customize the colors, text, or images so the checkout matches your brand. One thing that makes ThriveCart stand out, the order bumps. An order bump is a small additional offer displayed on the checkout page. Something like add a digital workbook like for a $9 more. Basically, this simple option increases the average sale value without irritating the customers, because the offer feels relevant and optional. When you added an order bump in your sales page or landing page, you can notice the clear increase in total revenue per customer. After setting up the checkout page, ThriveCart also allows you to add the upsell and downsell. These are offers that are shown after the first purchase. For example, if someone buys a course, you can offer the coaching sessions at a special price, or if they say no, you can show a smaller package at a lower cost. These upsell flows are powerful because they catch the customer attention when they are already in buying mode. Setting up these flows is very easy. You choose the next offer and ThriveCart handles all the redirect automatically. Another strong feature is the sales analytics. ThriveCart shows how many visitors saw your checkout, how many completed the purchase, and what revenue you earned. You can see the data for different products and pages, which helps you to understand the performance without needing external analytics tools. For anyone who wants to grow sales, this kind of insight is very valuable. Now let's talk about the real use cases. One popular use case is selling digital courses. Many creators use ThriveCart to sell course access, membership plans, or educational bundles. Because ThriveCart integrates with the platform like Kajabi, Teachable, and the Thinkific, customers who buy a course that can be automatically enrolled without extra step. This seamless connection makes the customer experience feel very professional and smooth. Another use case is service business. ThriveCart allows you to sell the appointment slots or service packages without booking confusion. You can include the custom fields during checkout so customers enter their details, which makes it easy to follow up after they purchase. Product bundles and physical products are also easy with ThriveCart. If you sell ebook, printable materials, or merchandise, you can combine them in bundle offers and ThriveCart will calculate the shipping cost, taxes, and delivery details as needed. This versatility is one of the reasons many small businesses choose ThriveCart over simple payment links or basic stores. One more thing worth to mentioning is the affiliate management. ThriveCart includes the built-in affiliate tracking, which means you can invite other people to promote your products and pay them a commission. This becomes a powerful growth strategy, especially if you want others to help you to sell your product. You set the commission rate, you share the referral link, and ThriveCart handles the tracking automatically. Of course, no tool is perfect. Some users mention that ThriveCart's interface takes a little time to learn because there are many options. The first setup may feel overwhelming if you try to explore every feature at once. But once you understand the workflow, product, checkout, upsell, analytics, everything becomes much easier and predictable. So is ThriveCart worth to using? If you are selling the digital product, courses, services, or want high converting checkout pages with upsells and affiliate tools, ThriveCart delivers all of that in one platform without needing the multiple plugins or systems. It brings the professionalism and automation that helps you focus more on the creating value and less on technical details. So that's it for today's video, and that was the ThriveCart review. And if this video helped you to understand better and how the ThriveCart work and how you can use it to grow your business, then give it a like, share it with someone who wants better checkout pages. So thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. I will see you in the next one.